Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today, guess what? Your girl just got a gift in the mail and I had to come and let you guys know about it. So, it is the BAABS beauty box. Yes, look how cute this box is. Yes, honey. Alright, so it's just cute. Let's get to the box. So of course, you know you got your items in here. Ooh, child, honey, look. Baby, your girl about to get into the box. Yes. So first in the box, ooh, look how cute it is with the little sparkle. Honey, get your lash together, okay? Listen, I ain't got no lashes on tonight, but your girl is gonna get it all together, okay? But with that being said, boo-boo, how do you get... Take a moment, because when I put these lashes on, it's gonna be like heaven. All right, so we come with the lashes. Ooh, those are cute. Not too much, but enough to let you know the girls are in the room. Okay, so we have this cute little box here. So I have a nice little gloss. I just want to know they're having a little smell. You guys don't all like smelling stuff. So there's no smell. So if you guys like, I don't want to smell, just a nice little gloss. And this is called Breezy. And there will be the lash glue. Then we have a nice little nude lip. This is called Cool Off. Very cute. Let's just swatch this right quick. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at that. Yes, look at that. Ooh, I can't wait to try that out. And there is a eye pencil, the Infinity Eye Pencil. Box is amazing. Then also it came with a lip pencil. That color. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. Y'all, stay tuned for the next video, honey, because, ooh, child. What we got here? Makeup-ish. I'm excited to open this bad baby up. Pull that off here. So we got peachy, kind of fuchsia, goldy, azulish, I think that is. Which gotta be some type of blue, orange dream, eggplant, coin, queenish, shadow. So let's just get into the, yes, cute is this, baby. I knew that was a blue because that azul is blue in Spanish, so I kind of knew that. You girl knew that. That's everything in the box. It is now empty with the nice little green paper at the end, at the bottom. Thank you guys so much for watching. Listen, if you don't go get you a BAABS beauty box, you missed out, honey. Get it for the holidays. I don't care who you get it for. They're gonna be happy. All right? So let me just get started and go play in some makeup. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.